is Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to show you all something very special. It is very special for me because it's my first happy meal. Yeah, I know you all guys are thinking, what is this happy meal? So happy meal is a trending video of foreign YouTube crafts. They swapped some goodies which they made from their own, some embellishments, some decor items, whatever they want to make. They just surprise their fellow crafters, and this packet was sent me by a girl named Khushbu. She sent me a happy mail. We want to happy mail system in our India, so we guys thought, why not, let's just start that system. So she sent me a box in happy mail, and in this I guess there is some goodies or embellishments, decor items, etc. So let's unpack it. By the by, sorry for that chirping of birds. There's a lots of things, guys. I'm very happy. How cute they are looking. Wow. ये इतने प्यारे लग रहे हैं कि मेरे को इसे मन ही नहीं कर रहा है हटाने की. वाव, बहुत क्यूट है. And this shows how fabulous this girl is. Khushbu, you have done a very good job. So now we'll collect all these here, and after that हम इसे खोल के देखेंगे कि इसमें और क्या क्या है. So let's start. 1, 2. That's very cute. 3, 4, 5. Wow, this is shaker. I just love shaker. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. She sent me 14 gifts, and now we'll open it. Let's come to the first beauty. This is so pretty. Look how cute they are. She sewed everything, guys. I just love this packing, paper packing, old paper. This is very cute. Oh my god. Look at all these dyes. I am just mesmerized. Wow. This is her dyes, which is looking so cute. And this is second one. मतलब इसकी पैकेजिंग इतनी खूबसूरत की है ना उसने कि इसे खोलने का दिल ही नहीं कर रहा है. Look. Wow, this is bottle dies and this is shaker. I just love shaker. They all are very cute. स्क्रैपबुक एटसेट्रा में डेकोर करने के लिए बेस्ट थिंग है ये सारे. Now third one. मुझे तो ये सारे इतने प्यारे लग रहे हैं ना. I love that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, this keychain is very pretty. Unicorn one. Look, she decorated their feathers with glitter. Wow, all are very cute. I have no words. This is some quotation types, print, etc. So let's hide all this. Now open these. This is die cut stickers. इसमें तो बहुत ही कुछ लग रहे हैं. These are doily sort of dies. They're very cute. You all think that I'm saying everything is cute because they are. I can't help it anymore. मतलब look at these. So उसे idea है ये सब करने का. Thank you Khushbu so much. Wow. This is like small purse, a mini purse. This is very cute. Everything is very cute. There are many more. She is very creative. I swear she is very creative. She sent me some sequins also. So now we will open this one. Look at this cute doll. And there is some ruffles kind of thing. Oh wow. Paper rosette. She made all the things herself. These are cute little bows. And now it's time to this unicorn. पहले तो ये यूनिकॉर्न इतनी प्यारी लग रही है, इसके अंदर की चीजें और कितनी प्यारी होंगी. Ribbon flowers. These are ribbon flowers. These are dies. These are couple dies. ये छोटे बच्चे की couple and this is dancing couple. All are so pretty. Now let's open this. Here are some envelopes. Some quotations, some small mini cute designs, embellishments, decors, etc. And let's open this. Oh, see, it here a butterfly. खुल जा. Oh, see, tackle this in there. Mini hearts in red color, in black color, and this is bow shape, small die cuts. Ooh, this is glitter poke die cuts. Look at that. कितने प्रिटी है यार ये सब. This is very creative. कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं. इन सब की वैल्यू वो सारे क्राफ्टर्स जाने जिन्हें बहुत पसंद होते हैं ये सब चीज़. She sent me ribbons and laces. Very cute. And last but not the least, we'll open that one.